If your print quality is smearing or your colors are inconsistent, you may need to unclog your print head nozzles. To do so, press Clean in the Printer Status window. Ensure that the appropriate material is loaded in the printer and click Next. The printer will quickly purge the nozzles and indicate when it is complete in the Printer Status window. For an even deeper clean, remove the ink cartridge, then place and hold the print nozzle portion firmly against a clean paper towel. Hold this position for a couple of seconds to allow ink clogs to be wicked into the paper towel. Then, pull the cartridge straight down against the paper with firm pressure. Replace the ink cartridge into the carrier, and you are ready to print again.